Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Elementor server error 404 that appears while saving. This frustrating issue can completely halt your design work, but fortunately, there are several straightforward solutions that can get you back on track quickly. First, let's start with the simplest fix that works surprisingly often. Log into your WordPress dashboard and look at the left menu. Click on Settings, then select Permalinks from the submenu. Now here's the interesting part. You don't actually need to change anything on this page. Simply scroll down to the bottom and click Save Changes. This action refreshes WordPress's internal URL structure and often resolves communication issues between Elementor and your server. If that doesn't solve the problem, we'll try a different approach through Elementor's own settings. Head back to the left menu and this time click on Elementor, then select Settings. You'll see several tabs at the top of the page. Click on the Advanced tab to access some of Elementor's deeper configuration options. Here, look for an option called Switch Editor Loader Method and toggle it on. A submenu will appear, and you'll want to click Enable. This changes how Elementor loads its editor interface and can bypass certain server restrictions that might be causing the 404 error. Don't forget to click Save Changes to apply this adjustment. Now, if both of these methods haven't resolved your issue, the problem might be related to your hosting server's security settings. You'll need to contact your hosting provider for this final solution. When you reach out to their support team, ask them to temporarily deactivate Mod Security. Mod Security is a security module that sometimes interprets Elementor's save requests as suspicious activity and blocks them, resulting in that 404 error. Your hosting provider can safely disable this temporarily while you work, or they can adjust the rules to allow Elementor's requests through. By following these three methods, you should be able to resolve the Elementor 404 error and get back to building your pages without interruption. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.